Hello, friends. When we are considering the syllabus of power station practices for RTM Nagpur University BTech 5th Sem, so this is the syllabus. The unit number one. The unit number one is totally dedicated to electrical energy sources and different factors connected with a generating station. So this is the important topic. First unit is a vast unit and easy to score. Second is thermal station, third is hydro station, fourth is nuclear, and fifth is voltage control of AC generator and cogeneration and captive power generation. Okay, so this is the syllabus for PSP. So book that we should refer for PSP is Generation of Electrical Energy by B.R. Gupta. Um, this is the book of HN publication. The complete syllabus of PSP you will get in this book. No need of referring other books. So, when context of this book is to be discussed, the loads and load curve, the unit number 2 or chapter number 2 of this book, the unit number 1 of syllabus is covered in this chapter. All the definitions, and energy requirements and all the first part and second part of the first unit is covered in this book. Second chapter is thermal power plant. Is thermal power plant? The thermal power plant is covered in seventh chapter of this book. Seventh chapter of this book. Third is hydroelectric power plant. It is covered in eighth chapter. Then nuclear power plant. It is covered in ninth chapter. And as far as unit number fifth is concerned, so unit number fifth, chapter number 18 co-generation is there. Some part is covered in this topic, co-generation, and chapter number 23 is captive power plant. Also the unit number 5 is also covered in this book. So this book is sufficient for the PSP. You can score a good number of marks with the help of this book. Another book of PSP you can refer is M.B. Deshpande. Power Station Practices by M.B. Deshpande. This is also good book, and some part of syllabus is covered in the M.B. Deshpande book. You can also refer that book, but my suggestion that Generation of Electrical Energy by Dr. B.R. Gupta of HN publication is sufficient for to score in the university exam. So the examination of RTMNU PSP is completely theoretical paper. Some numericals are there, but they are just put the value and get the answer type numericals. So and also the numericals are repeated ones, so you need not to worry for the numerical, and theory questions are also repeated. So passing in this paper is quite easy. You can think for scoring. Of the PSP paper. For PSP paper, you can score the semester with the help of this subject. So we will discuss the thermal power plant. Let us discuss the thermal power plant. So thermal power plant unit number, when thermal power plant is unit number 7 thermal power plant. So thermal power plant is there, 109 page number. So this is thermal power plant. correct. So the main part and auxiliary equipments in thermal power plants are 1 to 12. Okay, first is coal handling plant, another one is boiler, another one is pulverizing plant, draft fan, ash handling plant, turbine, condenser, cooling tower, feed water heater, economizer, superheater, air preheater, alternator with exciter, protection equipments, and instrumentation. So these are the main and auxiliary parts of the thermal power plant. So the question asked in the university, the main question is, explain the site selection criteria for the thermal power plant. So when we are go through the question paper for university question paper, so site selection criteria for thermal, hydro, and nuclear. Okay, so these three questions are important university paper when we are considering. Out of these three, one may be asked in the university examination. So better to prepare the solution for the site selection criteria. So site selection criteria is quite easy. The site selection criteria, when we are considering the site selection criteria, the first point is availability of land. First point is availability of land. In the book, I think this topic is not covered, but let us discuss the site selection criteria. It is quite easy. First point is site cost of the land. When we are when we are considering the construction of thermal power plant, it required the huge land. So the availability of land and the cost of land should be the main important factor for the site selection criteria. Another one is the quality of land. Actually, the land should be rock solid, so that the hard structure of the thermal power plant can be sustained on this on that land. Okay, it should be free from earthquake and all these uh, problems. Another main important factor is to be considered while selecting land is availability of coal. The land should be reachable by rail,